This is taking me way longer than I thought, but we're on the last day of the project for making my back porch renovation. I said I was gonna move these over there for a hammock holder, but we determined it's too shady and there's gonna be birds and leaves, and this spot's actually perfect because you get a little bit of sunlight, a little bit of shade, and we still need a clothesline because we washed our comforter and we didn't have a way to dry it. So what I'm doing, I put a post down there to hold this one straight just because I cut this off a little short. So I'm gonna wedge this up there and have a nice little hammock holder, and we're gonna give it a good paint job. I'm really hoping, since it's about 2 inches deep, I can put some dirt on top of it and grass will still grow over the concrete. If not, I'll kind of have a dead spot around it, but that's how this one is, so I think we'll be okay. So on the last video, I did wire brush this before I tore it out. That was a long time ago. I'm just gonna wire brush it one more time, and then I got some Rust-Oleum green paint similar to what was on it, just a little bit lighter, and we're gonna make it look way better with this paint. I've rode a lot of dirt bikes, but this arm pump from spray cans, whew, that's hard. My plan is to get a grapevine wall on that backside and have a grapevine grow up the backside, and then a nice hammock will hang between, and I'll also have a clothesline above the hammock just with 2 or 3 lines so we can dry our comforter. Backyard project almost done. Just need the grass to grow back. Got the string lights with the posts and solar lights. New back porch light. Porch swing slash day bed.
Same wife though.
Same wife, same dog. Got the black stone and the patio all done. Got the hammock posts back in their spot, repainted. Gonna put a grapevine on that one. Got a peach tree planted. This is nice.